Alright, well done everybody. Today we're going to be reviewing the 10x main importation guide. I'm sure that it's one that you're looking forward to. You're probably watching this video because you want to make a decision to know whether or not to buy the program. So you're trying to find more information on the program to see if it's a good option for you. Well, today I'm going to do the best I can to take you inside the program, because I bought the course. So I'll be showing you everything that's inside the course when you also buy. So I'm going to quickly log in now. Yeah, so we are in.
All right, so welcome to the 10x e-commerce blueprint. All right, you've made the decision to start this journey. All right, so before you have a lot of things, okay, which might get you confused. So I'm going to be putting you through how you can get started. All right.
So that's Julian's melody, and this is his intro to the video, to the course. Well, if you ask me for my own opinion, I think it's the best mini importation course available out there for Nigerians. I mean, it's the best. Look at all this information. You can't exhaust it, I'm telling you. If I just start with this one, for example, it will teach you niche selection, product research, and so on. So we will start with the niche selection. It will teach you how to choose your niche. So there's a lot of things that you learn by teaching choosing your niche. It's usually about what you are more inclined with. So if you're more into health, maybe or beauty, you want to sell beauty products, anti-aging creams, wigs, whatever it is. Or you're more into sex, you want to sell sex toys or sexual enhancement pills and some of those things, or safety, buy security cameras and stuff, or convenience, whatever it might be. This part of the module will teach you everything you need to know step by step, you understand? So to me it's the most complete.
Alright guys, so in this video we'll be looking at how to determine if your niche is profitable. Now you've chosen a niche, okay, or you have a list of niches and you're quite confused. Which should I go for? Alright, so you need to know if the niche that you've chosen is profitable. Remember, we have niches,
so that's for the niche section. So we'll go to the product research now. Here's his product research. So it says on this page you will learn the different methods to research for hot selling products. Imagine, I mean, this man has taken his time to go through thorough research to get get the best for whoever is going to buy this course. And I think it's something that would really look at this. For example, let's watch this.
Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly come about with some product ideas which you can test and then improve on. Alright, so here is a spy tool. There are a lot of them out there, but the great thing, amazing thing about this one is that it is free. Alright, so I believe you have things like Ecomhunt, Pesda, and the rest of them, but this one is free. Okay, so what you want to do is make sure you have an account with them, right? So where I will be telling you guys more about is this dropship spy. Okay, for ad spy and store spy, you can go ahead and do it. For ad spy, I think I've given.
So after research, definitely you'd want to source for a product, where you can get those products to buy. And it says on this page we're going to look at how to source for your products. And there's a lot of stories. I mean, I prefer video, but if you like text, he always has a PDF section where it teaches you everything. So let's take a look at this video.
This video will be looking at how you can start sourcing for your products. There are two ways you can go about sourcing for products. You could use agents, you could do it yourself. All right, and we're going to look at the top websites from which you can do your sourcing. So we have AliExpress, Alibaba, Made in China, 1688. Now there are more websites from which you can source your products. If you go to the resource center, you'll be able to find a list of websites from which you can do your sourcing.
So there we go. I look. I don't think if this guy decides to increase the price on this information product, I think it will still be worth it. It's too packed out. I mean, it's too packed. How to source for your product yourself. Let's watch this one. Okay, I think network is a bit slow.
All right, guys. So in this video, we're going to look at how you can do it yourself. Okay, how you can source for your products, procure your products yourself. Right. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you register an account with the website. So this is AliExpress. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. Okay. All right, so I'm signed in. So if you don't have an account, just click on sign up and get yourself an account on AliExpress or Alibaba or Made in China. Right? We'll talk on 1688. 1688 is quite technical because it is a Chinese-based website. Okay. Now, first of all, let me explain why this website operates differently. Now, AliExpress is more like a retail website. Okay, so you have lots of retailers on AliExpress. Okay, and places like Alibaba where you have the manufacturers and wholesalers, the big guys. That's why if you come on 16 on Alibaba, you're going to see companies telling you that their minimum order quantity is 1,500 pieces, some even 10,000 pieces. That's because you have manufacturers here. Don't let that scare you. We'll talk more on that. If you go to the resource center, you're going to see a particular section on minimum order quantity. You can go through it and understand the concept behind minimum order quantity. And
Well, so I don't want to make this video too long, but that's just the idea. So, you know, you get all of this information. So we're gonna go to product shipping. Okay. All of these things are detailed. Yeah, just make sure that you don't ever get lost or you don't miss your way. So on this page, you are going to learn how to ship your product to Nigeria and also ship to your customer. So here it will give you contact to see all these names. I'm going to see all these names here. I mean, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. I don't want to make these numbers too visible for you, because then what's the point, right? So we're going to move to advertising. There are even 3 subsections in this category. Oh, it's even more than 3, 5. So it teach you how to advertise more: Facebook advertising, Instagram ads, sales funnels, selling on Jumia and Konga, even selling on Jumia and Konga. This is crazy. There's even more. Amazing. I won't be able to go through everything now, but let's just check out this one. So on this page, you will learn more ways to advertise your products. Place your ads, www.alexa.com.
all right, guys. So in this video, we're looking at how you can sell your products on other platforms. Okay, we've talked about Facebook, talked about Instagram, We talked about using influencers. Okay, so there are videos that you can watch to understand the concept behind using Facebook to advertise, using Instagram to advertise. Of course, Facebook owns Instagram, all right? Now, there are a little bit of technicalities here and there when you want to try to advertise on Facebook, though Facebook provides the cheapest form of traffic on the internet at the moment, all right? There are different forms of trying to advertise and sell your products, all right? Now, it is very important that you have a funnel. I can't stress this enough, guys. All right. I understand that most of you want it so easy. Probably you just want to hit and run. You don't want to really build a business. But if you're really concerned about building a business, then you really want to set up a funnel. All right. And stop running from one place to another. Get yourself a niche. Stop running after the hot selling product at the moment, all right? You want to get a niche and run with it, okay? That is how you build a sustainable business, okay? But it's fine if you want to be in the hit and run category whereby you find the product that is hot and is selling so forth at the moment, you buy it and sell. It is still okay, it's what you want. But that is not how I teach. That's not really what I teach. What I teach is get yourself a niche, choose a niche, right, and run with it. Go shit.
Well, I think this guy is amazing. I think he's amazing, you know. So if you still have any doubts, I think this should have cleared your doubts already. That he's legit. He knows what he's talking about. And he's straight to the point. He's not messing around. He's giving you all the free information as you can get it. You know, so if you decide to double the price tomorrow, I think this package will still be worth it.
Okay, welcome. So in this video, we're looking at how you can set up your Facebook Business Manager as well as your Facebook ad account on the page that you're going to use to promote your content. Okay.
So it's even going to teach you how to open a Facebook account, how to set it up, how to add your funds to Facebook. Man, you are darling if you have not bought this thing already. Okay. Anyway, this is how much it is and even much more. So if you decide to go through with it, you can't even exhaust it in one day. I'm telling you, you can't. But if you now think that, oh, this is too much, how will I get over it on my own? There's no problem. You see, this is the Telegram account. There are over 1,158 members already as at this time I'm shooting the video. I know that it will increase very soon. So what you'd want to do is to join now. See, people are asking questions on the group. See, okay. So and if you have any problems at all, there are a group of thousands of gurus, hundreds. Let me not use the word thousands, who are ready to help you out. So if you're tired of going broke and you're tired of poverty, and you want to make a decision to buy this program now, I think there is no more excuse, So if you're ready to buy, I want to buy now, I can also offer you a free gift because you're going to need it in your journey web pages without coding or writing any line of code or whatever, and it's worth $78 or thereabout. And that's a lot of money, but I'm going to give it to you for free because I really want to help you go through this journey much more smoothly. And then I would always send you my updates on the newest idea, newest hack on my email list. All you need to do is just click that link down below and then you gain access. All you need to do is just exchange your email and your name for the access to this free gifts plus the link to the page where you can purchase this product. I think it's amazing. I spent money buying it too, so I think it's worth also buying. So give it a try today, and see you on the other side. Bye. My name is Ayodele Moshe. Please like, subscribe, and push the notification bell. Share if you like it, and if you want to share your friends too, I really appreciate that. You can also drop a comment down below tell us things you want us to add to it, or if you have any questions for me. Thank you very much.